Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Jay Sparkle here. So today you guys, I am going to test out a new foundation from NYX and their powder. Also, this eye look today is my Valentine Day look. So I already create the eye look already, but I am going to also try out the foundation. So this one is the foundation that I am going to try out from NYX. They when new year start, you always get some really nice product, and this is the NYX Professional Makeup Soft Matte. So I am going to, this is it. I'm trying to see if I can find, no, the color one that I had, but I guess everything here is fine, so I'm not gonna really, but this is my first time gonna try it out. I also have their powder, so this is a powder that I am going to try out also from NYX. And this one, I get this more of a more, they have the lighter one in this powder, also in the foundation, but I decided that I want to try this one out with this one. So if it's your first time here, welcome to my channel. My name is J Spark Makeup. I do video and makeup, eyeshadow, and so on this channel. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. So let's start doing this, you guys. So stay tuned until the end. So as I was saying, this one here, I picked this up in Walmart and it's like $16 and change. And in Shoppers Drug Mart, it's a bit more on the pricey side. So you have one, I have here 1 fluid ounces in this. So I'm gonna try it out. It comes with this knob here, which is really, really good. So I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand here. And this is how it look here. I don't know if this is too for my skin tone. I don't know, but let's try it out, you guys, and see how it does work on the skin here. So Valentine days is around the corner. I'm not really like a Valentine person, I'm not. It's just that I wanted to try this foundation, so I said let me just do a Valentine eye also with the foundation here. Let's do a Valentine eyes with the foundation also. So that is what I am doing. So for the people who, oh wow, this is beautiful. Oh my God, OMG, this is so beautiful. Wow, you guys, come on, this is so beautiful. Like look at my skin. It's a little bit on the red side, I think, or I don't know, but it's beautiful on the skin, like beautiful on the skin. Look at this. Wow, 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 wow. I love this. Like, OMG, look at this. I don't even need to put on any more on my skin. I'm just gonna use a sponge and just blend it out. Yeah, and I didn't put on any primer. I put this on my skin, you guys, which is the Tira Tira Milky. This is what I put on my skin as a primer. The funniest thing about it, like in age, when you're getting up in age, like I try, that's why I do a lot of skincare, because I don't want to keep like wearing makeup every day. But this is so beautiful on the skin. Look at this. Look at this. It's really blend really, really nice on the skin, like so nicely. It blends so nicely on the skin. Really nice, you guys. Wow, this is so beautiful. Look at this. It is really and truly beautiful. And I don't even have to go back in. This is just the amount that I truly need on my skin. So I'm just gonna blend this out on the skin. This is so nice. Look at this. It's really beautiful, you guys. Really and truly beautiful. So I'm gonna also apply some of this to contour. This is from, I don't even know where this is from. I think this is from the beauty shop, not the drugstore. This is more like of a darker concealer. I use this to help contour my forehead and so on. But this is so nice. This foundation really take me by surprise. I swear to God, it take me by surprise, really. take me by surprise. I wasn't looking for how this foundation really blend out on the skin. I wasn't looking for that. I was looking more of a, okay, it's not gonna, and I'm gonna use this underneath my eyes as a concealer. I wasn't looking for this. This take me by surprise, really. Like, really take me by surprise, this foundation. Because sometimes you buy foundation and you try it out, but, wow, this take me by surprise. I don't even know if they have a concealer for this foundation because I haven't seen any. Maybe they do, or maybe they don't have anything come out as yet for this foundation. But this part of my face here, I am working on it, you guys. I am working on it, working on it. So I'm gonna use this and blend out the concealer around my mouth here first, and then I'm gonna use a different part of the sponge, and then I'm gonna blend my contour with my concealer, darker concealer here. Sometimes when I run tests at doctor, sometimes I feel like I run a lot of tests because I want to make sure that I'm okay, but sometimes these tests make you scared, like running them. I'm not gonna lie, they make you really scared. I don't know. I'm gonna just blend this here, like, especially when you're diabetic, it's hard, like really hard. Like, I don't get it, you know. And I try to eat healthy as much as I can, but sometimes I ask myself, are you doing the right thing? Are you eating the right meal? You know, because all these things, and some people, they are up in age but they keep good health. I'm gonna give thanks for the health that I have, but at this end of the day, I wish it was better. I wish my health was better. For me, I wish it was better because, I don't know, you guys, I don't know. I don't really know, like, and I'm not gonna worry about it. I leave everything to God. But if you can eat healthy, make sure you eat healthy. That's all I can say. If you can eat healthy, eat healthy. You know, it's one of those things. You have to try and eat healthy. So I'm using this palette from Sephora. And I got blush and highlight in this, but I'm not gonna use the blush from this. I have a new blush here that I really want to try out. But I'm just saying, if you can eat healthy, you guys eat healthy. I am trying. My meals are different from what I cook for my husband. I cook different meals for myself. You know, I cook different meals for myself, but sometimes when you're younger and people talk to you about what you eat and you just don't listen, sometimes to me, I wish I did listen, because if I did listen, you know, I find myself running a lot of tests. I have parathyroid. I run tests on parathyroid. I do surgery on that. And it just, my calcium was too high and everything seems to like, really seems to like, you know, everything seems to like it wasn't working out. Everything seems like it never working out. And that's one of the things. But still, for all, I want to give thanks. Like, I'm doing surgery, I do surgery on my throat to make sure. So this blush is from Revolution, and look at this color. It's really beautiful. So I'm just gonna take out a bit of it here and just put it on my cheek, you guys. On my cheek. This is so pretty. And then I'm going to use a bit of this highlight for my cheek. This one. This is a palette that I have from Sephora. So I'm just use the same brush and put a little bit of highlight on my cheek here and a little bit on my nose. Okay, put a little bit of this over here. So we're gonna use this powder now from NYX, and I'm gonna apply it to my under eye. And I'm gonna use one of these things. So let's see how this look. This is the color of it. So I am going to use this to brighten my under eye. I think this, I don't know, I picked this one up because, oh, this is beautiful too. It's beautiful. See? And you can use the rest of it to put on your mouth, your forehead. Just use it to blend in your skin. Okay, and we're gonna come back. So let's line the lip with this pencil. Today I asked this lady, I said, have you done your lip? And she said, no, she didn't do her lip. Her lip looks so good. She said she born with that lip. So guys, let me come back. So I just want to give my final thought on these two products. These two products are the balm.com, you guys. This foundation, look at my skin. It is so flawless. It's so beautiful. I mean, and I didn't put on any primer. And this, the powder is amazing. The powder is very light though. You just, to me, under your eye, I don't need a lot of powders. And what I always do nowadays when I'm doing my makeup, when I put the powder, I always dust it on the back of my hand before I apply it. So I dust off the excess off the back of my hand before I apply it under my eyes. But these two products, you guys, if you see it out there, pick it up. I mean, it's been might be a little bit pricey, but I love this product. It's blend really nicely, leave your skin really, really beautiful. So these are the two products from NYX that I use, and today this is my Valentine Day look, you guys. So I have on a red lipstick with a nude one. I put it on my lip. This is me. I just want to say God bless you. Keep watching my channel. Please do subscribe to my channel. Turn on notification bell that when I do upload a video, you can be notified. And I just want to say God bless you. Thank you so much. And I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.